Hello everyone, welcome back. Do you know that there is one study, the Syphilis study, for which US President apologized to research participant? Let's try to understand this study and how this was conducted and how the research participants are treated and why President has to apologize to the research participants. So Syphilis study was conducted by Public Health Services of United States. So it was conducted by Public Health Institute of United States from 1932 to 1972. That is for 40 long years. And the goal of this study was to investigate or to understand the natural history of syphilis, like how this disease spread and why this caused to death. So the design of the study was doctor recruited around 600 participants. Mostly the participants were African black men who were poor tenant farmers. 399 were infected with syphilis, they were recruited, and 201 were healthy participants, and they were enrolled for a comparison as a control group. Most importantly, they were told that they were being a bad blood, a general term that is used in a rural south to describe the conditions including syphilis, anemia and fatigue. They were not told that they are having a syphilis disease which may lead to death. The participants were not informed like they are having any disease, and so they were not given any treatment for this condition also. Syphilis is basically a bacterial infection usually spread by sexual contact and frequently led to chronic painful disease and eventually cause multiple organ failure. In 1947, penicillin had been widely available for the treatment of syphilis. This is the main thing. Instead of treating subject with the penicillin, the researchers or scientists in charge, they hide this information. They didn't told that now treatment is available for this disease. And wondering why they did so, just in order to continue the research so that they can understand how disease spread and eventually lead to death, which was so unethical and inhuman. And in 1972, this Syphilis study was exposed by a whistleblower, but by then damage was already done. 28 of 399 patients had died from syphilis. Not only that, another 100 died because of a related medical complication. Additionally, 40 patients' wives were infected, and 19 children contracted the disease when they were born. The Public Health Services issued official apologies to research participants and their families in 1997. Not only that, by then, because this was major unethical research after Nazi's trial, on May 16, 1997, Bill Clinton, President of United States, formally apologized the surviving participants during a White House ceremony. So this apology came after 25 years after the study being exposed by whistleblower. During the ceremony, Clinton spoke directly to 8 surviving participants and their family, and also the African American community as a whole. He really acknowledged that harm that study has caused and expressed a deep regret due to unethical and immoral actions of the researcher who conducted this study. Not only this, there was an apology, but the Tuskegee experiment led to the development of a Bellman Report that most of us study in a clinical research, right? Additionally, the creation of National Human Investigation Board. And do you know how IRB approval started? This is because of this, experiment only. The request came to create an institutional review board. So this study, if you want to conclude, the study is remain a powerful reminder of the importance of informed consent, 1, ethical research practices, and respect for human dignity. So I hope this is a useful information. Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching. Turn on the notifications and do subscribe Rise and Shine channel for getting such valuable contents.